Okay, so we're doing a repair today. Timothy TWL Roofing doing a repair today over on 415 Parker. Starting, I'm going to do a before video, but this area right here is in the front side of that roof, and it's definitely open. Looks like it appears to be new damage. And let's see, we've got an area up here at the top that needs to be repaired. A little spot there, and then another area here where there's a tarp there. And let's see. Over on this side here, we have this area that needs to be repaired as well. And there's 3 areas down here that need repair. Also, while I'm up here, so the vents that are up here, all the caulking's gone off of the nail heads, so we'll get that recaulked in and sealed up. Things like this. I think there's one more shingle on this side here. Yep. So we've got a shingle right here that needs to be repaired as well. Okay, so this is the before video, and then we'll shoot an after video.